How to fix your account has been disabled in the Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you need to understand the reason for account disablement. So common reasons include violation of Google Play Developer Program policies, suspicious activities like fraud or unauthorized access, use of the account for distributing harmful content. So this might be the reason for account disablement. After that, you need to check your account status. You can simply launch any web browser on a device. And now, search for a Google account recovery page, and you simply need to follow the instruction to determine the exact status of your account and whether recovery options are available or not. After that, you simply need to appeal the decision visiting Google Play Developer Appeal Form. You need to provide all requested details, including your account email, a detailed explanation of why you believe the action was a mistake, and any supporting evidence, for example, proof of compliance with policies. You can even create a new account for your Google Play stores. And by following these steps, you will successfully fix that your account has been disabled in the Google Play Store. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.